8687. The purpose of a localizer is to A. Set the airplane on the proper approach angle to the runway. B. Indicate the distance the airplane is from the end of the runway. C. Align the airplane with the center of the runway. The correct answer is C. The purpose of a localizer is to align the airplane with the center line of the runway during the approach and landing phase. The localizer provides lateral guidance to the pilot, ensuring that the aircraft is properly aligned with the runway's center line. This helps the pilot maintain the desired track and ensures a safe and accurate landing. 8690. A DME antenna should be installed on the aircraft in a position that will A. Not be blanked out by the wing when the aircraft is banked. B. Not be blanked out by the vertical stabilizer. C. Facilitate cleaning, inspection, and maintenance. The correct answer is A. A DME, distance measuring equipment, antenna should be installed on the aircraft in a position that will not be blanked out by the wing when the aircraft is banked. This ensures that the DME system can accurately receive and measure the distance between the aircraft and the ground-based DME station. By avoiding obstruction from the wing, the DME antenna can maintain a clear line of sight for proper signal reception and accurate distance measurement. 8691. When bending coaxial cable, the bend radius should be at least A. 10 times the diameter of the cable. B. 15 times the diameter of the cable. C. 20 times the diameter of the cable. The correct answer is A. When bending coaxial cable, the bend radius should be at least 10 times the diameter of the cable. This ensures that the cable is not subjected to excessive stress or strain, which could cause signal degradation or damage to the cable. By maintaining a sufficient bend radius, the cable's integrity and performance can be preserved. 8692. When installing a DME antenna, it should be aligned with the A. VOR antenna. B. Chord line. C. Center line on the airplane. The correct answer is C. For optimal performance, a DME, distance measuring equipment, antenna should be mounted on the center line of the belly of an airplane. 8695. The addition of avionics and associated antenna systems forward of the CG limit will affect A. Empty weight and useful load. B. CG limits and useful load. C. Useful load and maximum gross weight. The correct answer is A. The installation of avionics equipment and its corresponding antenna ahead of the aircraft's center of gravity, CG, limit will have an impact on the aircraft's empty weight, CG, and useful load. It is necessary to update the weight and balance record to reflect the changes in the empty weight and empty weight CG resulting from the installation of the avionics equipment. Additionally, the inclusion of avionics equipment will reduce the aircraft's useful load capacity.